And then YouTube, Shane back. Hopefully you're now joining us on Acres Lawn Care Extra. We are in the middle of a massive heat wave. It is scorching. So I've been down every day watering, and I also managed to fill up my water butt. I found an old hose pipe. It's quite far away, the actual hose. It's like, you can't even see it on here, on this. No, you can't even see it. But the last owner obviously had this issue as well, but because he had a big long hose. But now it's filled with nice clean water. I've got a net over the top of it. But I thought I'd just hop on, give you guys who are interested a bit of an update, show you how it's going. Obviously this is the empty bed. The pond has been covered in algae once again, but I did actually top it up with the hose pipe, because a lot of the water must have evaporated with the heat. But the fountain is going strong, so I assume it's a bit cleaner. It's been going good for the last week, to be honest. Along here we had the wildflower seeds. I don't know if this stuff is the wildflowers or just weeds or just whatever was already in the grass, but something's growing. Don't want to pull it out. This is the no dig squash bed, doing pretty well. Squash in the middle is looking nice and strong. Yeah, there's just a heck of a lot of weeds. Heck of a lot. This is the dig bed. Again, got nice strong growth. I think there's 3 remaining left in this. This one down here, and then the back 2 looking nice and strong. I don't know if anyone could let me know. I assume they've got to pollinate each other, so I'll probably be better off taking the nets soon. I think they might be strong enough to survive slug attacks. And we have the sweet corn. We've still got quite a few going strong. Again, they're being choked out a bit by the weeds, but that is what my aim today is to de-weed some of this. Not all of it. I'm only on a lunch break at the moment. And then this is the sweet corn. It's doing really well under the, I've just taken them off, but they've been under these covers. They're growing really well, so I'm hoping they'll be good. One of them looks like it's been dug up at the end there by something, but we'll see if I can prop it back up. Pumpkins, again, doing pretty well. That one at the back is my best hope at the moment. It's gone nice and big. These are the 100 weights. One over here died, but that was because something got in there and destroyed all the net. So I've got a big hole in the net at the moment. And then this is the other pumpkin patch. Again, something is going in and out. I've got a feeling it's rabbits, because there was a big hole here a couple of days ago, but now I covered it up a little bit. But these seem to be doing well, so I'm just going to give it a quick weed today, and a water, and that'll be it for me. And also this video is on the newer channel, the Acres Lawn Care Extra, where the allotment stuff will be, and also some bonus footage from Alex's channel and some uncut versions, so the long versions of some of the Acres Lawn Care videos. So hopefully stick around. If you're not a subscriber yet, subscribe, because there's stuff coming out. Yeah, thanks for joining. So not many left in that one. I think I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left. I can't remember how many I had, but probably lost half of it. But hopefully they'll do a bit better now. Sweet corn, I'm just going to leave be with the little weeds around it. Maybe see if I can save this one. What's knocked it over? Looks like it's still in the ground alright. So I'm just going to flatten it down again, see if it survives. Okay. Alright, next up, pumpkin. And that's the pumpkins done. I'll leave this, there's nothing going on there. All I need to do now is give it good water. Right, that's it for today. Just thought you guys would want to see a bit of an update, a week on since the last time. Hopefully I put some clips of how it was and how it is now. But yeah, things are growing, look pretty strong. Allotment's looking good, grass is creeping in. It's very, very hot. I'm off to Italy from next week, so that'll probably be the last update for a few weeks. I'll show you what it's like when I get back. Yeah, things are growing. Any tips? Welcome. Any tips on what to plant? I've got quite a few empty spaces at the moment. This raised bed, as I said a few times, is going to be a project that's gardening related for Acres Lawn Care, so it should be a good one. Yeah, in the shade under the apple tree. That's it for me, guys. I'll see you when I'm back from holiday. Peace.